Look at this ponytail. I love the extra volume. Don't call me Ariana Grande, I actually do. Hi Curlies, welcome back. My name is Emma and I'm super excited because I'm here because Lana asked me to show you guys how I put in the ponytails onto my thick hair. We all know thick hair is a little bit different and there's a different method to the madness. So I'm excited to show you guys how I put in this pony. Okay, hi guys, so my pony is out. My hair is blow dried right now, so it's not as thick as it usually is, but this is what I'm working with. I like my ponytails to be a little bit more slicked back. So I use this Moray's Edge Wax, and I usually will just take a little bit of it in my fingers here, and then just kind of put it in areas where I feel like I might have some flyaways. I like my ponytails to sit really high, and then I'll take it in my hand, kind of grab it like this so I keep it nice and tight, and I'll take my elastic and I put it over 4 times because my hair is pretty thick, so it needs to be, you know, nice and tight, and I pull down on my pony just so it kind of sinks into my hair. So you can see what I'm working with here. You know, we're short haired over here. So this is the most important part when you're doing the ponytail. When you have thicker hair, you can't just slap on the ponytail and have all of this hanging out because you're gonna have a really big like puff, or like it's gonna just be really like big and like kind of bulky at the front. So what Lana says, she talks about this actually in her little card you get with the ponytail, is if you divide the hair into sections, she's a genius, y'all, I'm telling you. You divide the hair into sections and you do like a little braid or a little twist for each section. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm kind of just taking a little portion here and I'm twisting it. And what it does is it brings down the volume. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm just taking little portions and I'm just twisting it. And your arms are gonna get a little tired, okay? It's a workout. It's a workout too, you know? It's a we're getting the hair laid and we're getting an arm workout. So, and if your hair is thicker than my hair, you're gonna have to do more than 4, okay? Just to kind of lower the mass of hair. And I know don't I look so cute, guys? Isn't this just adorable? We're gonna stop right here and the look is done. Okay, so we're about to put the ponytail in. So how I care for the ponytail is I actually just use the Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner, and I condition it, let it sit for about 5 minutes, rinse it out, I let it air dry, and then what I do is I take small sections of the ponytail, like about literally this small, and I will flat iron it out and then I will curl it, and that takes literally about 10 minutes. Like, it takes no time at all. So the ponytail is constructed with a comb here in the middle, and then it has this Velcro right here, and it makes it super easy to wrap around the base of the ponytail, and then you have this elastic band, so it looks really natural with the elastic. So what I do is I'm gonna take it and put it on my head, put the comb into the base of the ponytail, and I'm grabbing it just like this. I'm gonna take this elastic portion, tuck the back of the end into the middle, and then take the elastic and wrap it around the base of the pony. Then I'm gonna hold the pony in place. Woo. We have a couple flyaways. Please hold. Woo. And then I'm gonna take this side of the elastic and I'm gonna wrap it around my ponytail. So the biggest thing is, I'm looking in the mirror too to see, you don't wanna pull the elastic too tight, because the comb is what's holding it secure. And if you pull the elastic too tight, it'll tuck beneath the base of the ponytail, and then it just won't work. It just won't do it. So don't pull it too tight. Once I get to the end, I'm just gonna take the end of the elastic band and I'm gonna take a bobby pin here, and I just bobby pin it to the back of my head. because it's going to stay in place regardless. So yeah, so now we have the ponytail and it sits, literally it sits perfectly on my head. The elastic literally looks like a normal like hair tie, which is really nice because it makes it super natural. And I like my ponytail to sit nice and high on my head. Boom. And then if I want to brush it out, I'll take my brush, and what I will do is I won't brush the ends. So I just will fluff out the top kind of with it and make sure it falls to my liking. If you feel like your natural hair that you twisted down is sticking out, what you can do, I didn't show this, but I mean I would do it if I had more of it, more natural hair. You can pin it down to the back of your head so that one, the ponytail will lay even flatter. Two, it won't stick out if you feel like it's like coming out and like not blending, but I should be pretty good. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you guys subscribe to Kurly Klips here on YouTube and turn on your notifications. You can also follow Kurly Klips on Instagram as well, and you can catch up with me. I'm at the Emma Elise on Instagram and here on YouTube, and we'll catch you guys later.